my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate you the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer, and I'm using the shade 005 Light Natural. And I'm also going to show you how it will cover up the redness as well as under the eye a little bit more of the discoloration. And so it definitely is a very affordable concealer, which I bought it for around €350, which I can't complain about the price. And it definitely feels not drying. It has like a creamy liquidish texture, which makes it very comfortable to apply onto the skin. And you can cover up any redness as well as also dark like under eye, like problematic areas, and also discoloration, and just tap it into with your fingers, but you can also use a brush or a sponge if you like to. And if you're giving it a bit of time, then it also will settle in and dry on its own. But it's not going to dry so that it will emphasize a lot of dryness, but it's going to dry so that it still will feel comfortable on the skin. But if you need to, like under the eyes, for example, you can also use a bit of powder to set it so that it won't move around during the day. And by just patting it in with the finger, you clearly can see how it's going to brighten the under eye area. And then here you have the side where I haven't used any concealer, and you definitely can see that it's going to cover those areas as well as brighten the under eye area. And I'm really happy on how this concealer performs, as it's not as drying but still feels good. Now, this is also the review that I wanted to share with you guys. I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!